Hey y'all, and welcome to our channel. I don't know if I've told y'all before, and a lot of y'all I'll talk back and forth to in the comments because a lot of y'all send me a comment and I try to respond to every single comment I get. And if I've ever not commented or replied back, please, comment to me again. I may have missed you by accident or something, but anyway, I try to respond to every comment I get. That way I get to know y'all a little bit better and you get to know me a little bit better. But anyway, I wanted to introduce myself. I don't know if I ever even told y'all what my name is. My name is Teresa. So anyway, I want to welcome you if this is the first time on our channel. And if so, please hit that red subscribe button. We would love to have you. We are about to hit a 5,000 subscriber goal, and to me that is awesome. I think that as of this morning we liked about 250 subscribers to hit the 5,000. So y'all please subscribe to the channel. All you have to do is hit that little red subscribe button on the screen. Also follow me on Instagram at Our Green Acres, and go over and join my Facebook group. It's called, at the end I'll have the link to all of it, the name, and then go over and join. A lot of people are going and joining my Facebook page, and that makes me so happy, y'all. Thank you so much. So all that'll be at the end of the video. So today's video, I'm going to have a couple of trash to treasures, and then I'm also going to show you how I transform a little bunny that I bought at Dollar General, just to kick all these little items up a notch. But in the first one, I'm going to show you how you can just get a simple little piece from like a yard sale. And you'll see what this looked like in the video, but it was like a little pot with flowers in it. And I just want to show you how you can take something so inexpensive. I think I paid $1 or $2 for this. Put a little paint on it, put some flowers in it, make you a bow, and it just totally transforms the whole thing. And how pretty of a centerpiece is this? And how pretty will this be sitting out at spring and Easter? So you'll see how I stage it in the video, but you could also, take it up another notch and put like some vintage jewelry on it. And also, I love vintage watch faces. You could put a little watch face on it. Just these little simple additions to something like this just really adds so much more to it. Something simple but makes it look so elegant. And the flowers that I've got in it, these come from Amazon. And I don't know if I've mentioned in my other videos of when I've told y'all things that I've ordered on Amazon. I'm not sponsored in any way by anybody. So the reviews and the experiences I give you are totally just my opinions of the products. But I told you a few videos back that my daughter's getting married in June. So we're in the process of gathering, decorations and making plans for that. So I saw these faux flowers on Amazon, and I thought they looked really pretty. So I wanted to order a set of them just to see what they look like. And if she liked them, then I would order all those to be some of our bridesmaid bouquets. So I ordered them and absolutely loved them, y'all. These were like $10.99, and I will leave all the information for these down in the description box. But if you're looking for another faux flower bouquet for spring and Easter, this right here is absolutely beautiful. It's great. I think I told you it's $10.99, but anyway, it's a great value for the money. And you can also, they have long stems, so you can undo this little thing they've got them attached to, and then they will have long stems if you want to put them in like a longer vase. But anyway, these are beautiful, y'all. So I'll have the information for those, and you'll see how I stage the little urn that I transformed. And then the other little DIY is going to be this little bunny sign that I got at Dollar General the other day. It was $3.50, and they have initials right here. Of course, I did not have my initial, but I just grabbed the M. My mother's name is Mickey. So, it could have, and I have several friends that their name starts with M. But anyway, I got the M. And so I got it home, and I thought it was just super cute. Wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. But remember the flower balls that we made a few videos back. And I'll have a link to all these videos that I've already done that I referenced today. I'll have that at the end of the video. So if you want to go back and watch how I made this flower ball, I just got that flower ball and I attached it And then I made her a little bow for her hair. Like I say, just kick it up another notch and then put another little bow on it. And how cute did this turn out? And the thing with your flower ball, you just do not want to attach flowers to the bottom part of the styrofoam ball. You just want to, you know, just do it around this way. So anyway, you'll see that and see how pretty this stages. This is going to be really cute. And then the other trash to treasure, and I call this trash to treasure because I know I've told y'all my friend Linda works at a company that has scrap wood, and she brought me a couple boxes of it, you know, a few months ago, and I've just been making things out of it as I go, and y'all seen several other things I've made out of it in some of the other videos, but I've been wanting to make a ladder because there was some pieces that were this size, and I did not cut these down. This is just the way they were. And then I went to Lowe's and I got some paint sticks. And this is the longer paint sticks, but you could use the shorter ones. I got Ben to just cut them off, and you'll see that in the video. But you could also use rulers, you know, and if you had, he used his big saw one day because he had it out. But you could also use a little miter saw if you have that, or like I say, just get some rulers or something that's already the size, and you don't have to bother with cutting it down. Because what I try to do is keep things as simple as I can for you, because I know I like things simple, and I don't like getting into the power tool thing because I'm not good with those. I'm just more good with the glue and things that I can do on my own. So anyway, I just took wood glue and just, you know, this is very primitive. I just glued them. You could use either side, the side that, you know, exposes the little slats, or you can just turn it around. So I'm going to stage a little mini ladder for you, and I'll have the measurements of the wood that I made this one out of down in the description box below. So if you want to get these two pieces of wood on the sides, you can go to Lowe's and Home Depot, and maybe they can cut this wood for you. And I don't think this wood is going to be very expensive there. And you're going to see me stage it with this little cute little vintage rabbit tea towel. I had to have one of these. I ordered this on Etsy, and the lady's name, her shop's name is Vintage Market Eugene. But is this not the cutest thing? And I highly recommend her shop. She's very fast to ship, and I just think this little tea towel is so cute. So I'm going to stage the ladder with him. And I also made a little shabby chic little bunny. And I've showed y'all how to make these bunnies before. I just made him a little bit bigger. I printed out a bigger traceable design for the rabbit. And then I just cut it out of a top that I had. I bought it for $2 at a consignment store last year. But I thought the little florals on it was really cute for the shabby chic look I was going for. And then I just put a little bow on it, and I'm probably going to put a little button or something right here. But anyway, I'm going to hang. I think the little bunny will be cute hanging on the ladder. So just think outside the box with little things like this. You know, you don't have to go out and buy stuff to embellish. You know, just get your glue gun out and just make it really quick. I made this morning just really fast. So I'm going to stage it all for you, because you know, if you've watched my channel long enough now, you know I'm all about the staging. If you want to see how things will come together, or how you can pair things together just to, you know, get that look you want, or that little space in your home, then hopefully my channel inspires you and gives you ideas on how to do that. So I'm going to get on with the video. Thanks y'all so much for coming on today, and I hope you get some inspiration from it. Thank you.